Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to automatically repeat your header rows on every single printed page in Excel. First, open your spreadsheet and go up to the main ribbon menu at the top. Click on the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on the Print Titles button. A Page Setup dialog box will pop up, automatically landing you on the Sheet tab. Look for the input field labeled Rows to Repeat at top. Click inside that empty box. Now, simply click on the row number on the far left of your spreadsheet that contains your headers. For example, clicking row 1 will automatically type the reference into the box. Click the Print Preview button at the bottom of the dialog box to double-check your work. As you scroll through the pages, your header row will now stay locked at the top of every sheet. Click OK to save the setting. And that's it. Your printed reports are now clean, readable, and perfectly organized. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.